All right, today we are going to learn how can we add an entire city in our games in Unity. First, we need an empty project. Then, in your browser, search for github.com/luckribpin. Select the Repositories tab and search for City01. Click in the City01 repository link to open it. It is really cool. You can contribute if you want. Now we need to open the Exports folder that is inside the Assets folder. Click in the City01 Unity package, and in the top left corner, click the three dots button and then click Download. Drag and drop the Unity package into the Project tab of Unity Editor. Select Import, now double-click in the City01 scene, and now you can use it the way you want.